Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. Today my challenge is to make a grandfather clock out of balloons. I've never done that before, nobody's ever asked me that, so it's gonna be exciting and it should be fairly large. So let's jump on it. I actually have a lot of balloons piled on my table right here and I don't really know where to start, but I gotta start somewhere. So let's get some brown. Make some sort of frame, I guess. I guess the thing I should really think about is the face of the clock. And that's probably gonna be the hardest thing to do, so let's actually jump into that. I have an idea. Alright, I think this will do for the face of the clock, and I'll just put something through to tell time. Just need to figure out how I want to connect this to the rest of the clock. Ooh, there we go. I'll break this off, and I'll use the time key, the arms, the hands rather, in order to connect it. That way it looks like this is freestanding. Let's try. There we go, we got ourselves a way to keep time. If you know what time this is, comment down below what time it says it is. I don't know if it'll be the same time when I finish, but there you go. Alright, got a little bit of a frame, but I need a lot more of this. I'm gonna float a bunch of these, then start putting them in. Alright, we got a nice base. Now, the cool thing about these types of clocks is it might have a back and maybe even a side, but the front is open, which means I gotta have some fun here. The question is now, how tall do I go? I mean, I've got a decent size here, but a grandfather clock usually will sit on the ground and be 5 and 6 feet tall sometimes. Do I want to go all the way? Fits very nicely in there. So they make it look pretty though. Got some fun stuff on top. That's what these are for. Not just the look. Well, actually, kind of like just the look. Okay, so far we're looking pretty good. I'd say it's 4 feet tall. Okay, we're standing on the ground and it's up to my waist. Maybe not 4 feet, about like 3.5. Not bad. Fairly solid. I still have some ways to go. I still have lots to do. Okay, let's set this down for a second. I'm gonna work on the chimes. I don't know the inner workings of a grandfather clock, so. So 2 chimes. Just need to connect them now. I think I should have them at slightly different lengths like that. Don't know why, but. There we go, got them connected, got the 2 chimes, got the clock. We're getting real close. I just need to clean some of this stuff up. I don't think I need that anymore. And there we go. We have ourselves a grandfather clock with chimes and everything. And if you know what time it is, then make sure you comment that down below. If you want to see some more awesome challenges and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more stuff coming soon. You guys know what time it is? See you next week.